In my last video, I showed you how to make German beef roulades, and in today's episode, I'm gonna show you the perfect side dish. I'm gonna show you how to make a beautiful braised cabbage, and it's the same recipe my parents used to use to make our braised cabbage for the festive season or for special occasions. Anke here from Swedish Cooking, and it's awesome to see you. And without further ado, let's get cooking. Traditionally, we are serving braised cabbage with a roast duck or roast goose for Christmas, but it also goes really well with all sorts of beef dishes, whether it's beef goulash or roast beef, or as I showed you in my last video, with rinderrouladen. My braised cabbage with the beef roulades I made in my last video, and I'm just gonna dig in. I love braised cabbage. You can taste the tart apples, the little bit of vinegar, and because I made it the day before, all the flavors have developed beautifully. Gorgeous. If you missed my video on how to make German rinderrouladen or beef roulades, please click here, or you can also check out my playlist with more classic German dishes. I hope to see you there. Until then, Swedish cooking, everyone.